So I just finished building this hammer. I mean, literally, I just finished it. I put finish on it after it was finished being built. Now, why is that important to know? In my case, I used Rubio. If you're new to woodworking and you find yourself using oils to finish a project, know that oily rags are incredibly dangerous to have in your shop. Now, if you're an experienced woodworker, I'm going to show you a little tip on how I dispose of oily rags. I'm a little OCD. When I found out that oily rags can spontaneously combust and burn down your shop or your entire house, got a little creeped out. I used to do the thing where you lay the oily rags out flat on the garage floor. But like I said, I'm OCD and it would keep me up at night knowing there's oily rags in the shop. So one day I had an idea. If these things can catch on fire, or if they want to catch on fire, so be it. I'm gonna set them on fire. I got this metal bucket from the big box store for about 13 bucks. I had a smaller one, but I left it out all winter and now it's really rusty, so I went and got a new one. There's my oily Rubio rags. I say rags, but they're just paper towels. So at the end of every project, when I finish with an oil, put the rags in the bucket, take the bucket out back, set that shit on fire. Now when I went down this path, I was doing the research and you can buy products from industrial stores that sell fireproof trash cans. I guess they seal up and consume the oxygen if it does catch on fire. Doesn't allow new oxygen to enter the environment. But I didn't want to be the guy that spends a couple $100 on a fireproof trash can to find out I'm going to have to sue somebody because my house burned down. And that's when I got the idea for my little metal burn bucket. All right, I'm going to take it out back and set it on fire. Ooh, it's cold.
It's good.
We got the matches.